Good morning, Mary Sunshine. The sun is bright now. It's morning, America. Still same place, same everything. You see this very old display of something. I don't know what is this. Then they did not want to put in the garbage place. I don't know. Even there, even there in the other side. These are the old ones because this place had been 100 years. Even our house, it's been 100 years, but it is remodeled. Yeah. So, and this one, you see all of this. These are 100 years already. I don't know what are these. They want to, I don't know, they don't want to throw it. And this one too, I don't, Ken knows everything about this. Kasi because this place had been full of businesses before. There were groceries, bar, ice maker, and everything business. This place had been full with buildings. And as soon as the folks of their grandparents passed away, they tore it down. But Ken did not want this house to be torn. They don't want it to be torn again. So he fixed everything. He tried to remodel it. That's the house of Ken's cousin. Very beautiful inside. That's the lake. That's the lake. Always, it's 50 meters away from the house. Yeah. And it's a nice place. That's why Ken wants to stay here. It's really very peaceful. Just hear the birds and you can see the deers early morning. This is another old, I don't know what is this. That's why we left our house in town. We left there, nobody's there. We just sometimes go and clean it. So, it's morning, America. That's why, yeah, morning, America. It's morning. Yeah. Ayan yung flagpole. Yan. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching this short video. Ayan yung barn. And this is the place where we usually see deers and bunnies. Okay, thank you. Bye. Love you all.